Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to play Please Donate on Roblox mobile. So first of all, let's open the Roblox app in our phone. So just let's open it. Make sure you are logged in your account. So this is my account in Roblox. Now what you have to do, you have to go to this search option on the top, and you have to search for PLS and donate. Fine, you can see the option. So when we choose this, so when we click on this or touch it, so the first one option is actually the please donate. So you just have to tap on it and just click on this, or just tap on the play button. So now you can see this is our please donate on Roblox. Now what you have to do, you actually have to go to the empty stall like this, and now what you have to do, you have to press hold the button. So since if you have make the game passes, your auction will be marked here, or your, so since we have already added our pass here, can you see this, I have created the $10 of game pass. So if you want to know how to create a 10 game pass on Roblox, you can watch my recent video on that. And this game is lagging on mobile, but my mobile is of 6 GB already. So yeah, that's how you can play please donate on Roblox. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.